Welcome to Woodside Village. We are here in Superior Charter Township in the Infinity Homes community. This home, built in 2022, is exactly what you would get with a new construction home without the wait. You have everything you need, move-in ready, and you are less than 30 minutes from downtown Ann Arbor, so you have the ability to be close to there without living in all the hustle and bustle. You get suburbia right here in Woodside Village. Let's take a look inside. Stepping on inside of this Infinity Homes Colonial, we have 1,704 square feet. Right in the very beginning, you have the library and the office right when you come through the door. You got this nice cutout that branches out into a wide open floor plan. In Michigan, very common to have 1970s, 1980s houses that are very walled off. This just branches right off. You can see everything while you're cooking. You have the nice family section over here, gas fireplace, dining, a nice island that you can eat in, eat breakfast, eat all the snacks, and then you have the laundry room through the way there with a half bathroom too. Coming up the stairs, we have the entertaining down here, we got the living up here. What's nice about up here is that you have that window there that's letting in all the natural light. But one of my favorite things about up here is the primary suite, which has obviously the bathroom attached, is the vaulted ceilings, makes it feel very spacious. And then you have the bathroom here that joins it all together. One of my favorite things about this house is the backyard, because a lot of times in communities like this, you have the houses situated in the middle, the backyards are all facing each other, but this one in particular has that wooded back lot that is just a lot nicer. You feel the privacy here, and it's easily one of the best streets in the community.